We have to protect our ocean, the corals, and of course, we are all responsible to protect our marine environment.
Today, you're allowed to be proud. Please post all the pictures that you have. So nga itong attitude karon is, kaniya itong pag-clean up, this is not our trash, but this is our planet, this is our island. So ito aning isla, ito aning lugar, ito aning beach, and there's only one planet, there's no planet B. So good luck everyone, and let's see the change.
Kitang tanan, responsable, dili kita patakag labay sa mga plastic o mga botilya o magtiknik ta. Ato dong dalhon sa atong mga balay, ipuso na to kay kini dakog kadautan sa atong kadagatan.